I'm Janessa. I'm a teaching artist here at the Pérez Art Museum, Miami, and today we're going to be doing an art making activity inspired by the artist Beatriz Milhazes. Beatriz Milhazes works with beautiful patterns and bright colors in which she is inspired from her home, Brazil, where she has lots of rainforest and music to inspire her. Today, to honor the movement, patterns, and color in this painting, we're going to be making penny spinners. Fun little circles that we can cut out and move and spin. Some of the materials we're going to need today are markers, colored pencils, crayons, scissors, a ruler or a stencil, plastic cup, cardboard, poster board, paper plate, pennies, stickers if you have them, and tape, either colored or clear. All right guys, so to start out this activity, we need to first figure out what material we're gonna use to put our circle on. So you have some choices. We have our cardboard that you can probably find in your house from Recycle. We have some paper plates if you have them at home. And then underneath both of these, I have a poster board. Okay, so to start, I also have a plastic cup. And so once I decide what I wanna make my circle out of, so for instance, I think that I might wanna use the paper plate. So I'm gonna move my other materials to the side. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my cup, place it on to the paper plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and make a circle around the cup for my paper plate. Once I have my circle, I can go ahead and cut that out. All right, so once we have our circle, then we also have to make a nice little line in the center, so that way we can go ahead and that's gonna be the place for our penny. So this is where we might need a little help from mom and dad. Instead of using maybe a scissor, we might need to use like a kitchen knife or something that can poke a hole through our piece, okay? And I actually already have two circles that have the slit already in there. So if you look very closely, I have a slit I already cut in there with a knife. So then the next step that we wanna go ahead and do is now we wanna go ahead and do a design. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my stencil and get myself some markers. And I'm gonna start putting some designs onto my penny spinner. And I'm using my ruler and my stencil to create some fun shapes and lines. If I don't have a stencil, I can make one out of paper, or I can even use cups and other objects at home to make some fun lines and marks. Now I also have tape over here that if I wanted to add some extra color with that, so I have some green tape, and I can use that to add a couple of details to my penny spinner. And finally, I have some stickers. Now, if you don't have stickers at home, that's fine. But if you do, it's always a fun way to add a little bit extra color and design to your piece. Finally, when I'm done with all of my decorations, what I'm gonna wanna do last is I wanna go ahead and add my penny. So I'm gonna take the penny and the little slit that was made by my mom and dad, and I'm gonna slide it in just halfway, so it comes out a little bit on each side. And then once I'm done, I go ahead and put my fingers on each side, and I can go ahead and take it for a spin. And there you guys have it, beautiful penny spinners inspired by Marotoloco by Beatriz Milhazes.